పరిస్థితం దక్షిణం కుంచిత పదం వామ పాదం చ సముద్రుతం దక్షిణం కుంచిత పదం వామ పాదం చ సముద్రుతం సౌర్యం తు సూనమభయే అన్యే డమరుకం తథా సౌర్యం తు సూనమభయే అన్యే డమరుకం తథా ఫణి సంయుక్తం సర్వాంగే భస్మధారిణం అభయే ఫణి సంయుక్తం సర్వాంగే భస్మధారిణో ఏవం నటేశ మధ్యంతో జ్ఞాన మంత్రేణ పూజయేత్ ఏవం నటేశ మధ్యంతో జ్ఞాన మంత్రేణ పూజయేత్ ఏవో నటేశ మధ్యంతో జ్ఞాన మంత్రేణ పూజయేత్ తాండవ మాడెను సూరి మృదంగములో ఎంప ఆకారి నేడుగును పూరింప సూరి మృదంగములో ఎంప ఆకారి నేడుగును పూరింప పారిజాతమును తాళమున దింప పారిజాతమును తాళమున దింప హారతిని పంచినాయంత పారదాది ముని వరులు తిలకింప పారమాత్యమున జగతి పులకింప శివుడు తాండవమాడెను జగదంబ సహితముగ శివుడు తాండవమాడె అవిరళముగ జగదంబ సహితముగ శివుడు తాండవమాడె అవిరళముగ జగదంబ సహితముగ శివుడు తాండవమాడెను
Everybody's going to start clapping that I dance, so please come. This is an example of a true dancer and a true performer. There is no gunguru, there is no makeup, there is no dance costume, but still, I think this was the perfect dance we ever could have witnessed. This is the perfect. The clapping is not for what I said, it's for you, Sarojini. 2007, I knew she started teaching dance. I should have started that day with her. Then I would have got at least 1/10 of the clap today. But I completely ignored her when all my friends started dancing. By the time I realized where is Shailaja Garu, she had taken Vishwarubam by that time with Kuchipudi Natyalaya. And here, today she said, can I perform? It's not the big dancer, you see the great human being over there. More I talk, I'm going to start crying. The great human being over there, the humbleness behind the great art form. It doesn't matter who's the audience, whether you guys know Kuchipudi or not. I wanted you audience to witness a great human being just dedicating herself not only to the students and the parents and the community, but today she wanted to dance for the sake of Kaligamban, for the sake of Omkareshwarar, regardless of her dance costume or makeup or gungro. She still danced. That was the dance I wanted all of you to witness. Thank you, Shailaja Garu. So humbled to your art form, for the great human being, and for the person whom I've known you for all these years. So totally blessed. And I have another beloved sister of mine, Kalimange, here. And I'm so happy that she's right on time to honor you. Cannot be more blessed than this.
Sorry, I took your time.
All of what you witnessed, it's the bhiksha we got from my gurus.
the body you witnessed. It's a gift given by my parents. And I hope Lord Shiva gives me the opportunity to serve with this body as long as I could and be joyful in this universe. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And without any effort, Sarita Venkatesh knows only to talk very easily. Easiest thing to do in my life.